Hello, it's Adam from SatNav Systems, and today I'm going to show you the operation of the original Volkswagen reversing camera fitted to this brand new VW Sirocco. So by selecting the reverse gear, you can see the camera comes up automatically with the rear view, and the green guidelines here, these are static, so they do not move with the steering wheel. So by moving left or right, they stay in the same position. Also, if the car is equipped with the optical parking sensors, the car graphic also comes up here on the left side of the screen. So both systems work together. So now to show you the operation, I'm just going to reverse here. The system is really good. The picture is not pixelated in any way. It's crystal clear. It's really good quality. And those green guidelines here really help to get the car to fit between the tight spots. So if you're trying to, so they're not there just to be there, they really help to fit the car between the tight, into the tight spaces. As you can see, I managed to park perfectly in that spot. The system works with navigation systems as well as the radios. So for more info, go to our website, www.satnavsystems.com. Thank you.